Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is the death anniversary of our national poet, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, rahimahullah. He was a great leader who used his poetry to give us courage and taught us the lesson of Khudi. On this day, I want to share a beautiful message from Iqbal with all of you. Iqbal says, अपने मन में डूब कर पा जा सुराग़े ज़िंदगी. Dive into your own soul to find the secret of life. Allama Iqbal rahimahullah tells us, if you want to be successful in life, do not just copy others. Instead, look inside yourself. Allah has given each of your special talents and strengths. Believe in yourself. Listen to your heart and work hard. When you understand your own value, you can achieve any goal in the world. Iqbal's message teaches us not to depend on others, but to stand on our own feet through education and hard work. May Allah bless Allama Iqbal rahimahullah with a high place in Jannah.